and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen the video before this, I used the Curlsmith bond treatment, so make sure you watch that. I'll have it linked. But now after that, you still have to cleanse and stuff, all that to your hair. So I'm going in with my Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo by Shea Moisture. I love this stuff because it gets my hair clean and it doesn't take long to rinse out. So I'm gonna just do one wash with this. So in this video, I'm doing my wash and go in the shower because it's wash and go season, but you also don't want to take all day. This took me about an hour and it was washing, deep conditioning, and everything. So I'm just going to show you guys what I did. So now I'm just going in with my deep conditioner, and this is the one that I made myself. If you guys haven't seen the video, then make sure you watch it. I will also link that. But I'm just putting it on with my hands, and I'm just making sure that I get it everywhere. But this isn't going to be like a long deep conditioning treatment. My hair is already pretty soft, so I didn't need too much. But I always do not skip this step, so I'm just putting it on my hair, and I let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I rinsed it out. And as you guys can see, when I'm done, my hair is like nice, shiny, and a little bit defined. It's good that I'm also not using any tools because I keep that definition. So now I'm just rinsing it out, and then I'm going in with my styling products. For this washing style, I guess I'm doing the LBG method. I'm going in with my leave-in. This is Back in My Rose. This is the coconut water leave-in. This one is really moisturizer, and I also did a poll on Instagram, so if you guys don't follow me, make sure you do. I'll have it linked in the bottom. I basically had two combos that I wanted to use, and I had everybody, choose what they wanted me to use, and this one won. So it's the Camille Rose leave-in, and then I'm going in with a butter. But first, I make sure that my hair is super wet, and I'm distributing it in my hair, and then I'm going with my butter. This is the Alikay Shea moisturizer. Love this stuff. Also, it's like $10. It's affordable, and it really went well with this leave-in conditioner. So just with these two, my hair is starting to get defined. And lastly, I went in with my Wetline Gel, and I didn't really shingle. I mostly just did the curl method, and I worked it through my hair. Did a little bit of shingling towards the front, but nothing too crazy. And I kept make sure that my hair was super wet this entire time. My wash and go alone took about 20 minutes for one side because I was recording and everything, and then 10 on the other. So it could definitely take about 20 minutes if I'm in the shower not recording and I know everything I want to do. Because this was a new method to me with the butter and whatnot, I wanted to make sure that I was doing it right and that it was defined. And towards the top, I definitely shingled more because that's the part that's going to be showing the most. So I didn't want it too clumped, but what was really key, I feel, is shaking my hair. Like, I shook it in the shower vigorously to make sure that it was all, all throughout my hair, and it really helped to clump it and shingle it for me in a way. So I'm really glad that I did that. But yeah, it didn't take long at all, and this was a really great combo. I'm on like day 5 with super moisturizer, no flakes, nothing. So I really do like that. Although I do wish that it wasn't so clumped because I'm still pulling parts apart because they are super, together or whatnot. But yeah, that's basically long it took. It took an hour, and now I'm done. Alright guys, so I'm out of the shower. I'm finished doing my wash and go. I dried it. It's about, I want to say 70% dry. I still got some wet spots in certain areas, but this wash and go looks really good. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do that because I posted 2 combos that I could use and I had you guys pick. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'll have my name in the bottom. But yeah, so that leave-in is really moisturizing, as we know, and then that butter, I also like to moisturize my hair. I do like using butters with my wash and go sometimes because it just makes the crunch less there. And then I went in with the Wetline Gel, and it's really good. The definition is there, the shine is there. It looks really good. I'm still like shaping my hair at times. I'm like cutting pieces that look like too stringy or whatnot, but it looks good. It's not fully dry yet, but it looks good. So you can basically tell what it's gonna look like. And I don't know if I'm gonna wear it in the middle or like over because I've been liking the side look more, but this looks really good. It's really moisturized. I like it. And I feel like my hair just looks extra good because I used the Curlsmith bond stuff. So if you guys haven't seen that video, make sure you watch it. It'll be up before this, just because it did that. It did what it was supposed to do. So yeah, I'm probably gonna come back with like day 4 or 5 here, because I never really show you guys what my hair looks afterwards really. But follow me on Instagram if you want to see it, because I do post my hair there like on certain days. So yeah, you know, make sure you follow me on Instagram, because you'll see more content over there. I'm trying to be more consistent, and it's been working out, you know, whatever, reels and whatnot. So yeah, it's UrbanFabCurls, just like my YouTube name, if you guys want to follow me. But I'll have it linked down and everything, just so you can like go there instantly. But yeah, this wash and go, you guys did that. Thank you for picking it. If you did vote, it's really good. I think I still might do the other combo that didn't win in another video, because it's wash and go season. Like, I love wash and goes. This is my favorite thing to do. Like, twist outs and braid outs have been working for me this winter, but now it's time to go back to what I know best, and that's wash and goes. And I like that I did this one in the shower. It took like 20 minutes to do my whole head. No, that's a lie. It took like 30. It took like 30 minutes, but normally I like shingle and it takes like 2 hours. So this is super fast, quick and easy. I used a lot of water, so that really helped just make the process go a lot faster. I think I have it like down packed. I'll add my leave-in, let it sit, add my butter, and then go in with a lot of water and gel, and just kind of rake my hands through it and just break up the really big pieces. And what really helped is that, you guys didn't see it, but I shaked my hair for like a good 4 minutes just to get all that excess out, and it helped break it up more. And it was I did the trick for sure. All right guys, so I'm at work, and I just wanted to show you guys my hair, because I don't think I'll be able to show you later. But this is day 3 here with the combo that I did. It's really defined, and I've been separating it because it was really clumped. So this is what it looks like. But yeah, so yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.